Alright guys, right now it's kind of slow. So since it's slow, I'm gonna show you what my toolbox is. So if you're a new technician, you don't have to buy the expensive one. You don't have to buy the expensive toolbox. You don't have to buy the expensive tools. If you're starting from Firestone, Wheelworks, Goodyears, or whatever, let me show you. So these are my toolbox right here. It's a Cornwell. I get it from Facebook Market. It's a used one, so get it for like $300. So not bad, right? So I got my sockets here. This is, I think, let's see what's this. or Astro. So these are the new one. I think they have is the Nano socket right here. So from, what's the lowest one? I like this one because it also got printed. So from 6 mil up to 24 mil right here. And it's like really like, small one, the nano one they call it. So let me see what's the comparison. Small one to normal small socket. You see what's the difference? See that? See what's the difference? You got a big difference here. If you're really going for like tight spot, you can use this one. You can wrench this side right here. I'm not sure what's the size on the wrench from here. Or you can put the socket on it. This is my socket right here. So I got some O'Reilly's 10 piece, like the actual like spline they call it. Let's see. Hold on. You can put anything like Allen, square, it's right here. See that? And that's the part number. And you get some Icon right here. Harbor Freight. Quarter. I got Snap-on, just in case. I want to get that quality one. Snap-on right here. I got Mac. Long. What you call this? This is Mac Tools. Torque. Socket right here. The extended one. This is my quarter. No. 1/2. Sorry, 1/2 right here. 1/2 right here. 3/8 and quarter right here. And then let's go to the second drawer right here. So for now, I got this one mixed up because I'm planning to get like the Husky big toolbox. And then this one is really good right here. It's like for the tight spot right here. This one. Alright, so the second one, I got my ratchets, torques, safety glasses, the most important one, safety, and some electrical right here. The middle one, I got wrenches, long ratchet right here, 1/2. The hood, if the hood is like fuck up, right here, wrench, small ones. I got the mountains right here, some punch right here too. And then some of the special tools, right, small ones right here. And this is where I keep my cordless electrics and stuff. So if you're working with a European one, so this must have, because it's easy to pack up the threads for European one because there's no stud. So you need one of this one right here. It's Leslie. It's the brand. And I think the part number is 14150. It's right here. Wheel stud. Right here. So if you work with European, or if you work to some other company, like let's say in Universal, you need this one. Alright. That, some Toyota filter wrench right here. And I keep some of my tools down there. So yeah, once I get the money, I'm gonna upgrade to Husky one because it's more cheaper. It's like $1,400. So you have the top shelves and then the cabinet on the sides. It's like 10 drawers. So yeah, man. So yeah. So that's my best advice for you guys if you are the new technician or you just came up from school. Unless you have the money. Yeah, if you have the money, you can go with a Snap-on, Matco, or Mac or whichever tools out there. Uh, yeah, and also, I seen like the viral one, the Icon tools from Harbor Freight and Snap On. I don't know. So my opinion about it: if you work for Mercedes or high-end dealership out there, Porsche or whatever, let's say BMW, European one, Ferrari, whichever. I think some of you. I think the technician out there who are not gonna have like Harbor Freight tools. Most of their tools probably is like Snap On, Mac tools, or whichever the high quality out there, because you don't want to fuck up your car. Instead of fixing it, you fuck it up because you have like the cheap tools, like Harbor Freight or like Home Depot or whichever. So if you work on like Toyotas, Hondas, Subaru, or like Firestone, Willworks, Goodyear, whichever, you can use Harbor Freight or Icon. That's my opinion. Okay, so yeah, I mean, and because the prices is like basically twice the price, but because you want quality tools, you don't want to fuck up the car. Instead of fixing it, you fuck it up. So that's my takeaway. That's my opinion on that viral Snap On and Icon one. So yeah, I mean, I don't know what you guys think. So leave the comment below what you guys think about it.